Hello everyone, thank you for toning. Today, I'm here to unbox Harbinger RT100. It's compact, powerful, and built for adventure. The RT100 is designed to bring your music to life. I can't wait, see it and try. Sound of karaoke and sound the music. With that, let's open it. It's look like wrap it good. While I have here a friendly user guidebook. Wall power cord and microphone set. Wow, let's take out the plastic cover and turn it on with its own powered rechargeable battery that could last 5+ hours. 5 versatile inputs at once, Bluetooth for audio and microphone with cable, wow, and it has its own glowing sound active RGB disco light ring. It's just exciting, party is on.
I'll have fun with my kids with doing some karaoke song with them as well.
Well, let's go out where sound meets adventure. I can't wait to go to the beach with my kids and have a party with my friends. With that, see you on my next videos. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.